How to fix Facebook can't perform the action you requested problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see on my phone screen, okay, in this video you will get to know about why this problem is occurring and is there any way to fix this problem or not. Okay, so after you know the reason, guys, you will know that this is there any solution to fix this problem or not, because I'm going to explain you everything about this problem. Okay, which is occurring in your Facebook. So guys, whenever you face this problem, okay, you cannot go to someone's profile, you cannot message them, you cannot video call, you cannot call them, okay, you cannot do anything with them, okay, when you get this error. Okay, so guys, if you want to know why this problem is occurring in your account, then just stay tuned with the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video. Okay, so guys, at the first step, what you have to do here, okay, what you have to know about it. So guys, I'll tell you the reason. Okay, first you have to know the reason, and then guys, solution you will know it, okay, by your own. So when you know the reason, it is easy to fix anything. But guys, this problem is occurring because someone has blocked you, or if someone has deactivated their account. Okay, if someone has lost their account, then guys, this problem is going to this problem is going to face in your profile. Okay, for example guys, if you click OK here, and if you want to go to their profile again, you will get this problem: can't perform the action you requested. Okay, that means guys, that person has blocked you, whether that person has lost their account or whether their Facebook has been disabled. Okay, there is so many reason behind it. Okay, first reason is block problem. Okay, if someone has blocked you, you will get this problem. And guys, if someone is having problem in their account, like Facebook has disabled their account. Okay, if Facebook has disabled their account, then guys, this problem is going to occur. And guys, this is the second reason. Okay, and the third reason is if someone has disabled their account. Okay, even in that case you will get this kind of error. Okay, so this is the third one, and at the fourth, and it will be the last, I guess. Okay, and at the fourth, if someone has delete their account. So disable and delete, I mean deactivate and delete are actually not same. Okay, deleting account is something different, and deactivating is something different. Okay, it can be temporary as well. So if someone has deleted their account, then also you will get this kind of error pop up. Okay, so I hope now you know what is the solution, guys, here, because there is no solution for it. Okay, until and unless if they don't get their account back, or if they don't unblock you. Okay, until then you cannot do anything in this. Okay, in this problem. But guys, if you know them, okay, for example guys, I'll tell you, I know this person. Okay, who is this? And guys, this was my classmate. So nor he blocked me, nor he deactivate their account. Okay, and guys, he didn't delete her account as well. Okay, so what happened with her is something happens, okay, from Facebook. So that's why the Facebook has did something to their to her account, and then guys, this problem has got occur, and now she cannot use the Facebook as well. Okay, so I asked what happened. She said don't know, and okay, she give this and that reason. So now again she has opened up the new account, and guys, she has told me okay about this. So guys, if you know the person uh personally, okay, if you know the person personally, then guys, you can ask them personally what happened to the Facebook account. Okay, so you can ask them. Otherwise guys, there is no solution for it. If you update your application as well, it is not going to work. If you clear the data also, it is not going to work. So I don't want to waste your time. Just you have to know this reason for the future. Okay, so if you don't know the reason, then guys you might be searching for the solutions as well. So guys, it's better to know the reason, and then guys it is better to know everything about it. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.